Hello, and thanks for being here. As we begin a new year, I'm pleased to reflect on the continued growth and impact of the professional organising and decluttering sector and the role that APDO plays in supporting its development. Our members work across homes, businesses, and communities, helping people create spaces that support well-being, productivity, and positive change. Their work is practical, skilled, and increasingly recognised for its wider social and economic value. APDO exists to champion professional standards, support best practice, and provide a strong collective voice for the industry. Over the past year, we've continued to strengthen our training, mentoring, and professional development offer, ensuring organisers are well equipped, ethical, and confident in their work. This commitment to quality underpins everything we do and is central to how we work with partners and stakeholders. We're also seeing increased interest in the profession and greater opportunities for collaboration. Through partnerships, media engagement, and sector-wide conversations, APDO is helping to raise awareness of professional organising as a credible, skilled, and people-centred service. We value working with organisations that share our commitment to sustainability, well-being, and professionalism, and we look forward to building further partnerships in the year ahead. As we move forward, APDO remains focused on supporting our members, strengthening the profession, and contributing positively to the communities we serve. We welcome continued dialogue, collaboration, and shared learning with partners, stakeholders, and the wider public, as together we support a profession that helps people create space for better living and working. Thank you, and best wishes for the year ahead.